welcome to a new YouTube video. This is a 35 marks question of TCS IPA exam. In the previous video, I discussed with you a 15 marks Java programming question. Send the link to the description box and also click on the I button to play this video. Today, I discussed with you an important question. A class is given, employee, and the attributes are employee ID, name, branch, rating, and transport, company transport. And in the public class, my class, two functions are working. Find count of employees using transport and find employee with second highest rating. So there are two functions in public class. So the video will some lengthy. So see the video completely to grow your skill, to grow your knowledge. And if you like this video, subscribe my channel and must comment in the comment section, give feedback, and also share this video to your friends. So let's begin. Question is, C, create class my class with main method. So first we write import java dot util dot star, then public class my class, then public static void main, and scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in. Now see the first line, create a class called employee with the below attributes. So we can write here class employee, the above attribute should be private, use getter setter method and parameterized constructor. So first is employee ID, which is int, and C, the above attribute should be private, so we can write here private int employee ID, we can write EID. Next, two strings name and branch. So private string name comma branch. Third one is double. So private double rating. And the last one is boolean. So private boolean company transport. We can write C trans. Okay. Make a parameterized constructor. So public employee, and here we write int EID comma string name, second one is name, we write here string name. Next, string branch. Next, double rating, and last one is boolean. So boolean C trans. Now we can write here this dot EID equal to EID. Next, this dot name equal to name. This dot branch equal to branch. Fourth one is this dot rating equal to rating, and the last one is this dot C trans equal to C trans. This is called parameterized constructor. Now we use getter setter method. So we can write here public int employee ID. So get EID and it will return EID. After that, public get method is there and set method. So public void set EID and under this it will pass int eid, and under this we can write eid. Okay, so for the remaining attributes we can write similarly getter setter method. Therefore, so after creating all getter setter method, we have to create the two functions, this one and this one. User put 5 attribute, user put 5 data in the given function. So see the output one. The output is this one, the first, this one second, this is third input, and this is the fourth input. Okay, so there are 4 inputs, 4 user inputs. So we can we have to create an array and take all of the inputs from the user. So we will give a name of this array, emp. You can give the name emp. Employee emp equal to new employee, and the length of the array is 4. Now we will take a for loop int I equal to 0, I less than 4, or we can write emp dot length. Now we take user input. First one is integer, so int a equal to sc dot next int. And in the previous video I told you that always write next line for all of the user input taken. So string name equal to, I give b equal to sc dot next line. The third string c equal to sc dot next line. For double, so doubl double, d equal to sc dot next double. And for the last boolean e equal to sc dot next boolean, and then sc dot next line. Okay, done. Now we put all of the elements into the array named employee emp. So emp I equal to new employee a comma b comma c comma d comma e. Okay, c public employee, this will use here. Now for I equal to 0, emp 0, it will take first input, then second one, then third one, and so on. Now we take two functions, find count employee using comp transport and find employee with second highest rating. See, we can give the name it's f1, and for this function we give the name f2 to reduce the time, to reduce the error of a function. Since the name of the function is very large, so we use f1 and f2. You can use it in TCS exam. So see the first function, find count of employee using comp transport method. This method will take an array of employee object and a string parameter as input parameter. This method will take an array of employee object. So the employee object means emp and a string parameter as input parameter. So take an string s equal to sc dot next line. Okay. Now this method will calculate and return the count of employee who are using company transport and given branch. String parameter passed. So the string is named as branch. Is the string parameter is used as branch. Okay. So we have to compare this branch and the given user input branch, the third element. This is the branch. I give the name branch. Okay, this is the employee ID, this is name, this is branch, now this is rating, and the last one is company transport. So check first, the function will return the employee who are using company transport in given branch. If no employee given branch using company transport, it in the area of employee object, then it will return 0, and the method will calculate and return the count of employee. So since it return count of employee, so the return type is an integer. So int, we can write here c equal to f1 and the string parameter emp comma s. Okay, now if c not equal to 0, see the it will return 0. If no employee found, then it will return 0. So c should be 0, or else it gives some number. So if c not equal to 0, then it will return, it will print, what is the output, it will print the number c, it will print the number c. And check again, case sensitive, this is case sensitive obviously for this method. The main method should print the return count greater than 0, else no such employees. It will return, it will print no such employees. So else it will return no such employees. Okay, this is the first function. Now we have to create the function. So since the function is integer type, the function will return an integer value. So public static int f1, then employee we give the name e, and a string and a string value this, so we can write here string s. Now first we take an integer count which is equal to 0 initially. After that, to check all individually each of the employee, we take a for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than e dot length I plus plus. Now see the condition that the method will calculate and return the count of employee who are using company transport in the given branch. So using company transport means company transport should be true, and given branch means the string s equal with the user branch. Okay, so we write here as if e I dot get transport equal to true, and ei dot get branch dot equals is. See the question, all the searches should be case sensitive, so we use ei dot get branch equals is. Otherwise we can write here equals ignore case. Okay, now if the two conditions are satisfied, then it will increase the count value, and after that it will return the ultimate count value. If there are no employees, then the count will be 0, otherwise it will increase. Now we run this program. If we put input and press enter, see the output is 2, which is 2. Okay, so this is the first function. If you understand all of the steps, then comment in the comment section, and if you like this video, share this video to your friends and subscribe my channel for watching more videos. In the next video, I discussed with you the next function, find employee with second highest rating. So till then we can conclude this video. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching.